Making friends at a new school may seem daunting, but there is nothing to be worried about at all.
Ava and I didn't know each other before we came to QEHS, but now we are really good friends.
One of my top tips would be to make the first step, because if you don't make an effort towards other people, they will most likely not get to know how amazing you are.
I would recommend being yourself because people are more likely to want to make friends if they know who you truly are.
If you do find yourself in need of help to make friends, or you just need a bit of support, you can always go to your form tutor,
Head of house,
any other member of staff.
or any of your buddies such as Ava and I, as we were all happy to help.
Good luck.
luck.